Hi, my name's Katie, and my husband and I are going camping next weekend for Memorial Day, and I thought it would be cool to make a life-size Jenga so we could have some fun and games during our Memorial Day weekend holiday. And I'm going to show you how to do this. To get started for your life-size Jenga, you will need to go to the hardware store and buy a few things to complete your project. First thing you're going to need is 8 2x4s, 8 feet long. I'm going to be using a Ryobi miter saw to cut these pieces in exact measurements for your Jenga board. Okay, so I've already gotten my 8 2x4s, and the key is to make sure when you pick the board it's as straight as you can get so you don't have any warpage along the way, because you don't want your Jenga falling over because your boards are not straight. So we're going to place the board down here, and we're going to measure from end to end 10.5 inches. After measuring your board 10.5 inches all the way from end to end, you should get it exactly 9 cuts per board. When making your 10.5 inch cuts, I like to use a metal square. You get an exact measurement, and you also get a nice straight, even cut. So what you're going to do is place the plane on the board, and you're going to measure exactly 10.5 inches all the way down. Okay, so now when you're ready to cut, always remember to wear safety wear on your eyes, because you do not want to get any slivers of this wood in your eye. And sometimes it will help also to have an extra person to hold the board while you're cutting so it doesn't fall off while you're using the saw. We're going to go over here, and this is where we're going to start cutting all of our boards. I'm going to probably start somewhere in the middle and then work my way back, just because the board's kind of heavy and it weighs down. Alright folks, here you have it, life-size Jenga. Some of the edges, folks, will be kind of rough from cutting, so if you just take like a piece of sandpaper and sand the edges down lightly, or even just rub it on the concrete, that will get rid of all those little shards on the end and lessen you getting a splinter in the finger.